Okay, here's the Denali Sound Bomb split system. It comes with the horn, of course, compressor, instructions, wire ties, air hose, relay, and some bolts. This split system, of course, allows you more options of mounting it on your bike. Note that on the back of the horn, there's a couple of slots here where you put those wire ties through. You can mount it to a crash bar or to down tubes or anywhere that you can find suitable to put this on your bike. So I decided the best place to put this compressor is underneath the horn cover because that's where the electrical connections are anyway that we have to hook up to the compressor. Put a cloth underneath the horn cover so you don't, in case you drop it, it doesn't scratch anything. Remove the horn with an 8mm socket. So here's how I've got the Denali Sound Bomb configured. I had to make a mount for it to fit under the horn cover. This dark piece here is this metal here is the original mount. It just comes right out and you unbolt that top bolt right there. This piece comes out, so I drilled a hole in it right here and I added a piece of angle iron for the compressor to slip onto. Other mods I made, of course, this here is a resistor. This is used to imitate the original horn, so the CAN bus system thinks nothing's changed. Before I put this on, I wasn't able to get more than a 2-second or 3-second blast out of the horn before it would pop like a circuit. It would just cut off. And when I put this into the circuit, into the horn circuit, I can now honk the horn, continuously hold the button down, and it doesn't cut off. So we've got our relay mounted over here with a plug, so we can unplug that if we want. And the relay is just mounted with some double-sided VHB tape on the back, very strong. This is mounted with VHB 3M molding tape. It's very strong, it's not going anywhere. So that's all gonna fit in there. This is what our final wiring looks like. We have a plug here that goes to the switch, the horn switch. So we just plug that in behind here. We also have this hot wire going to directly to the battery, and this has some braided heat resistant cable covering on it. And here's our air horn tube, so we'll hook that up. Make sure none of the wires back in here are touching your fins on your head. Plug that together there, that's the horn switch. And you can use some wire ties to kind of clean all this up.